Back guys, welcome back guys, Automotive Inc. Today we're working on the 2020 Heartland Big Country, the new to us trailer. Make sure you smash that sub button, thumbs up, and notification bell. We're just doing some little tips and tricks. We got a lithium conversion coming over on the channel very soon, and so it's going to be really good. Today we're working on a common problem. Alright, so every manufacturer puts this nice frosted glass on here on your front door. Can't see through it, but it does allow heat to come through. So we're going to install a super cheap window cover on here. I'll link it down below. Now this specific one incrementally folds up magnets to itself, so you can allow some light or no light through in 4 different little panels. It is super easy. It's under 20 bucks. It's worth the hack. So it's going to come in this little pouch, guys, with all the little magnets. They're all labeled super easy. You want to clean the top of that door with some rubbing alcohol water mix like I've told you guys before, but you can kind of see it's got little strong magnets. It's going to prevent light coming through, but you can also, again, fold it up and just allow some light or incremental little pieces of light. So the first thing you want to do, guys, is go ahead and line up your top, and then the rest of the magnets are labeled, so those are going to be super easy to affix. So let's get to it. So now the back side of this is like a nylon. It has a Velcro strip, so you can remove it and wipe it down on this inside part. It's like a pleather, if you will. So go ahead and take that off. And then what you're going to do is you're going to take your 2 side strips. And this is going to fit many different sizes of windows, but you're going to come out here and take your Velcro off that top piece and affix it. And the reason why we wipe this down with alcohol, guys, is just over the years this can get a greasy film on it. We want it to adhere really well. So these are the 2 side strips. As I drop one on the ground, they have a nice little leather feel to them, and they're going to just go on this outside piece of the window. So we'll get these affixed. Have to get those done. Again, taking this red tape off is always my nemesis. I don't have fingernails because I'm always breaking them off in the garage. You're going to line up your lower strip here, and you're going to stick it down. All right, last, you just hook your hook and loop up here. Again, the wrinkles will eventually come out over time. You can see that it hooks to our magnets over here, over here. You can kind of just situate it however you want, and then when you want some light, see, they do this in this leather stuff too, so it's not unattractive. And you can incrementally just lift it up and fold it against itself. So they have ones that roll. You can do you, boo, but at the very top kind of looks like a little black valance on the window. Just a nice little inexpensive piece of flair, and helps you keep out those UV rays that you don't want. So as always, guys, appreciate you guys being here. Check out the link below. Make sure you sub, head over to the channel, check out our RV stuff, truck stuff, car stuff, and I'm going to catch you on the next one.